Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to review the levels for May 21 and later we will see the levels for May 22 to trade in Nifty 50 index. So these are the levels given for May 21. We should go long above 9104 and we should go short below 9007. And these are the Nifty spot levels. We will have to trade in Nifty futures when these Nifty spot levels come. Now let's see the 5-minute chart of Nifty 50 index and see how these levels helped us in today's trade. So this is May 21. You can see the 5-minute candle, 5-minute chart over here, and see the first 5-minute candle itself broke the level, our buy level of 9104. Now, as per the rule, if in the first 15 minutes, if the buy level is cut, then we should wait for the 15 minutes to complete and then make a note of the high of the 15 minute. Okay, so I have mentioned here the 15-minute high is 9119.15. Now what we need to do is we will have to wait for the a 5-minute candle to close above the 9119. Now if you see here, this is the 5-minute candle which closed above 9119. So once we identify this 5-minute candle, we need to see the subsequent candles which is breaking the high of this 5-minute candle. So next 5-minute candle itself, it broke the high of 9119. So as per the rule, we should enter the trade here when it traded above 9125.25. Okay, now we are in trade. Now what is the next thing we need to do? We should not forget to put the stop loss at 9063. Now if you see the levels here, I have mentioned we should go long above 9104 with a stop loss of 9063. So we are in trade now. So the next step we have to do is we should not forget to put the stop loss. So and we have put the stop loss of 9063. Now let's see what happened. Nifty, after we enter the trade, see what happened. It started coming down. Okay. Now as a trader, we will be in tension this time. The next around 20-25 minutes, right? Or next 15-20 minutes, we are in tension. Okay, it is started coming down. I don't know whether whether the stop loss will be triggered. Okay, but as a trader, we have to believe in the system. We need to wait. Even if the stop loss is triggered, it is okay because that is how the system behaves. But fortunately for us, today what happened is it started going up again, and finally it reached our first target of 9145. Okay, so the traders who are trading in one lot, they have to book the profit here. Okay, and they should not do anything else. They should again wait for the next opportunity. But for the traders who are trading in two lots, what they have to do is they have to book one lot profit here, and for the second lot, what they have to do, they have to change the stop loss from 9063 to our buy level of 9104. Okay, so that is what we should do. So for the traders who are having two lots, one lot they book the profit and they are keeping the second lot for a target for our second target of 9225. But today see what happened. Our second target did not come, and once it reached at a high of 9178, it started coming down, and finally it it broke the our stop loss level of 9104. Okay, so that is what we happened. So we finally we booked some profit here. Our stop loss did not get triggered today, which is good. So today it was a decent trading day for intraday traders as per the our trading system. Now let us see what are the trading levels for tomorrow. So this is the sheet I used to calculate our trading levels. This is the pivot point calculator sheet. All we need to do is enter today's open, high, low and close. It will calculate the pivot point and there are two scenarios. If the close is below the pivot point calculator, and then we have a below pivot levels, and if the close is above the pivot, then we have a above pivot levels. I also use the central pivot range levels, which is the top central pivot range of 9109 and bottom central pivot range of 9117. So comparing these levels with the long above and short below levels, I arrive the levels for tomorrow. Now let's see the levels for tomorrow. We should go long above 9127 with a stop loss of 9100. Targets are 9170, 9235 and 9290. We should go short below 9050 with a stop loss of 9110, 8991. Targets are 8991. Now let us see the rules. For every trading setup, there has to be some rules, and as a trader, we need to strictly follow that rules. Okay, and that is very important. So these are the trading rules, when to go for bullish trade and when to go for bearish trade. And there are some rules mentioned under the note section which will help you to enter the trade. If our buy level or sell level comes at the market opening, then what we need to do. So that is clearly mentioned here. Please understand and trade accordingly. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if the levels help you in your trading career.